Hello today. I'm going to show you how to check the antifreeze and the engine coolant level of your Audi A4 S4 Avant. First step, we open the car hood and underneath we see there is a reservoir of the coolant for the engine. And there is a maximum and a minimum range scale. And we should be between these 2 points, okay, in a flat surface stand on our vehicle. We are going to open the reservoir by open the cap and release that cap. Take care, maybe there is pressure behind that. A hot steam can be extracted out there, so take care of your fingers. After this, we're going to use a pipette to get a little bit of the coolant level, engine coolant freeze, antifreeze level check on our refractometer. So now we get there and have a look. We are looking for the scale of G13 or G1112. It is G13, so we can see here minus 31 degrees Celsius is the coolant level right now. Okay, now we can top up a little bit of the coolant liquid, of course, and we are mixing this with distilled water. And if we are getting this imbalanced, we are going to make a test drive and we continue and repeat the test again with the antifreeze level. So we can then top up our engine coolant liquid inside our reservoir and we can go back on the road again. Easy peasy, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel, of course. Soon. And if often there is a level low, check the engine.